Solo traveling in Europe is an exhilarating adventure. First, choose your destinations wisely. Cities like Barcelona, Paris, and Prague are not only stunning, but also incredibly welcoming to solo travelers. Next, embrace public transport. It's efficient and a great way to meet locals. Don't shy away from hostels. They're perfect for connecting with fellow travelers and often host fun events. Pack light. A small backpack makes navigating cobblestone streets much easier. Learn a few key phrases in the local language. It shows respect and can lead to unexpected friendships. Always stay aware of your surroundings, but don't let fear hold you back. Trust your instincts and be open to spontaneity. Finally, keep a journal. Documenting your experiences not only helps you remember them, but also allows you to reflect on your journey. Solo travel in Europe is about discovering new places and, more importantly, discovering yourself.